Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Ford's 1999 to 2016 F-Series Super Duty.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Unbolt and lift the truck bed for clearance. Remove the fuel tank, fuel lines, and any brackets or clips in the work area. Unbolt or cut the bolts retaining the rear forward leaf spring mount and move the mount and leaf spring aside. Step 3. This leaf spring frame section repairs the area that houses the rear fuel tank crossmember. If replacing the crossmember, remove it after clearing all fuel lines and removing the fuel tank. If you're keeping it, remove only the perforations on the frame section. Step 4. Grind the work area clear and apply weld-through primer. Slide the frame section into place using the frame holes for alignment and seat it tight against the frame rail. Step 5. Clamp the frame section in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part to the frame prior to welding all edges fully. Step 6. If removed earlier, install a replacement rear fuel tank crossmember. Weld the perforation lines closed without welding the mounting holes shut. Finally, apply a rust inhibiting top coat.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Once dry, reinstall the fuel tank, fuel lines, brackets, rear forward leaf spring mount, leaf spring, then lower and reinstall the bed. Now, get back out on the road.